Here's how to check if your TV has eARC enabled or disabled. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your television. Afterwards, once you're already on the settings, what you need to do is navigate yourself to the connection options. Once you are navigated to the connection options, the next thing that you are going to do is that go ahead and click on the external device manager on the connection option. Now, once you press on the external device manager, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the options about the HDMI CEC. So, if you see that this toggle button is turned on, it means it is abled or enabled. But if it's turned off, it is disabled. So, as you can see, the HDMI is on, so it is already enabled. So that is how you check if the HDMI eARC is disabled or enabled to your device.